Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And that's also where the first key update comes into play. And this update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So in the event there's any sort of bounce up to the upside here, 0.038 is going to be public enemy number one. Could be a little bit of a miniature resistance right here at that purple line, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average, and that level is right there at 0.036. So maybe the better way to put it would just call this a resistance zone from 0.036 up to 0.038. So keep an eye on those levels going forward. If the price can get a break of that 0.03 mark, then there's definitely some clearance. I mean, almost a little miniature blue sky breakout, up around this area of the chart because, like I said, with the break of 0.038, nothing technically speaking resistance-wise until that pink line up there, which is the 200-period moving average. So from a breakout perspective, I mean, the price could definitely find some room to run, but one hurdle at a time. And the first off, not only does the price have to get to 0.038, then it's going to be able to break up above it. But, there's definitely some, like I said, potential there from the upside perspective. As far as areas of support are concerned now going forward, initial level of support to keep a close eye on going into not necessarily just Wednesday, but the foreseeable future is down here at 0.028, and let me squeeze this down. 0.028 important because, if the price were to drop below there, then at that point, that's starting to threaten putting the price right back into this area of the chart where it was from lows back, several days ago. I mean, no, I'm not trying to insult anyone's intelligence, but price movements that go back and drift back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power or true strength. So that's why, to me, that 0.028 mark, pretty important going forward. So not the greatest day today, but the price very clearly went sideways. Got a nice little green candle here during the last 30 minutes. So we'll see if the price can try to get a break back up above 0.038 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.